let's understand how to update the app. Yes, you have Power BI Cloud. Inside Power BI Cloud, you have a workspace. Okay, let me take one workspace. Inside workspace, you have reports, dashboards, data sets, and app already got created. Our requirement, how to update the app. Let's see how to do that. A simple process. Assume, for example, your reports, dashboards, report, data set like this. Say one of the reports, there were some changes. Say you do some edits. You have some edits to one of the reports. Like for example, this is the report. And you are into a report page. Right? You got the report ready. You are into a report page. Our requirement. From this report page, let's do some edits. Click on edit, this one. I'll say plus new page. And I'll include some map or any other visualization. I'll say for now funnel and country wise sale price like this. You have some visualization in this way and a table. I'll say country, segment, product, sale price, unit sold, something like this. I'll go to format and add a style, a predefined style format, something like this to the report. Now our requirement. Yes, let's save the report. Report got modified, right? So accordingly, you would like to update the app or upload, browse. See here, there is something called upload, browse. And you would like to upload one particular file. I'll take one sample financial data file, this one. Upload a file. This uploaded file will auto create something called workbook. What we are doing, our actual requirement is to update the app. To update app, firstly we perform required changes like edits to existing report or getting a new workbook. What's the purpose of workbook? Click on workspace or click on this particular workbook entry. Without creating any report, we can pin tiles to dashboard. That is the concept here. Main purpose of workbook to pin this one, to pin tiles to dashboard. Here it is. For example, select in this way, click pin to dashboard, either first or second, any dashboard, click pin, or you may create a new dashboard as well. So what we are doing now, we are just modifying the content inside the workspace. Let me just take you back to our notes. We have our Power BI Cloud notes. Yes, hope you remember this diagram. Previous class, report published to workspace, report, data set, dashboard. Hope you remember this, everyone. Previous class,
Yes.
diagram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Now, what we learned just now, few minutes back, we created workspace and pin to dashboard, right? Created workspace, pin to dashboard. I repeat once again how to get the workbook. Okay, inside workspace we got workbook, created workbook, pin to dashboard. How are workbooks different from reports? Reports are originating from desktop. or you yourself manually create a new report. From report with multiple pages, we go for dashboard. Workbook is a shortcut alternative, mainly for the purpose of dashboarding. No additional visualizations, just simply select few cells and pin them. Here it is. Go to workspace. Come on, what next? How to create the workbook inside the workspace?
Upload.
Upload. Come on, what
Upload,
next?
browse,
Yeah, browse.
Browse. Select the Excel
Yes,
sheet.
Arif, Jahanavi,
select the
check your mic, please. Neelima, Suresh, Pranita, Sriharsha, please check your mic.
Select
Sujana, yes.
Select the
Next,
example.
any data.
select any data of your choice. Okay. Click open. Click open.
Replace.
Yeah, it's already there. I'll simply say replay. What next?
Select the financial sample.
Yes, we
Excel
need
sheet.
to select.
The workbook.
Yes, exactly. So here we go. We need to go to upload, browse, and select the required financial data. You get one workbook automatically. Upload, browse, you get the workbook. Now click on the workbook. You get one Excel online editor and select required cells and pin.
Into
Exactly.
Into dashboard.
To dashboard, either existing dashboard or a new dashboard.
new dashboard.
Click on pen.
Then
What's our actual agenda now? We need to update the app, right? So app need to include these recent changes. You got the app ready. You would like to update the app. So click on update.
data.
You get the same old interface of creating the app. Hope you remember this interface. App name, description, right? You got the app name. I'll call it as SQL School Power BI app.
Yes, sir.
Logo optional. Logo optional. We can add the required logo if you wanted to. For now, just leave it. Click update app. Before that, you can also give some theme color if you wish to. Give some theme color and content. Go to content. Add content. Which one? These are the previously available items. These are the new items. Now, here it is. Let's add new dashboard, workbook, and the modified report. Are we getting it, please, everyone? Hope you are getting the concept now. The modified entries.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Fine, friends. Click add. Now, this new entry, let's add it to dashboard sections like this. I'll simply add them to the dashboard section. And here it is. You got the reports and the dashboard. Or here it is. Click on add content. You simply select all content, add. And again, you can rearrange. It's up to you. Whatever content you want, you can add. It's up to you. Dashboard 1, dashboard 2, and report like this. Now what I'm doing now, simply adding all reports and dashboards in this way. Remember one thing, during update of the app, you need to carefully select the required items. For example, I'll select only first 2 items, then old items will be automatically deleted. Okay, remember. only latest selection would be applicable. Old selection will be automatically deleted. That's how it works. Click add. What happens? See there, old section or old selection is automatically deleted, right? Only new selection is coming up. So take care. Make sure you select whatever is required, add. Then what we do? Simply get it organized like this. Something like that. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Audience. For now, entire organization and update app. Entire organization, it's up to you. Select the required organization like this. Okay. Once you select whatever options you would like to have. For example, specific user or group. Let me add one particular user. Earlier, we say enter organization or particular user. Give the user like this. Once you specify the required settings, then what we do? Yes, we are supposed to go for simply update app. Okay, just say update app. So what we are learning now? We are understanding how to perform update of app. I'll cancel and show you again just in case. Click on update app, give some setup, app setup, content. Here are the previous contents. You would like to add other content also. Okay, so that everything is selected now. Everything is selected. Click add. So in addition to existing content, new content is available. Simply reorganize. We did some changes to this report. It's already a part of app. No problem. And we are going to update the app. No problem. But what about these contents? They are supposed to be added manually. Audience optional. Click on update app. It would take about few minutes time. The app gets updated. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait. Updating the
Yes,
app.
sir.
I'll wait. Others, are we clear so far, please? I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. Shall we
Yes,
have
Yes,
a
sir.
friendly mock test on previous class and today's class? The cloud operations.
Yes.
Tomorrow's class. Yeah, please let me know. Can we, please? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll do it carefully. Please complete all the practice part. Sending you information now, as usual, with the complete notes, transcript, and the practice screenshots. Please, I request you to practice the items on time. So what are the concepts we learned today? Number one, gateway, right? We understood something called gateway. So gateway is for data refresh activities. And what else we learned? App, creation of app, and updating of app.
Yeah.
Okay, just go through it carefully. And as usual, you get the screenshots. That's right. You get the step-by-step screenshots. Make sure you practice all items as usual. It's a practice screens. Make sure you complete all the items. Okay, total of 4 attachments. Please give me a few moments time. Please give me a few moments time. Just about to hit send. Tomorrow, let's have a friendly mock test on whatever we learned so far till now. Yes, email sent to everyone. Please check it. I'll wait. We'll stop for now. Let's meet tomorrow for a friendly mock test on these items before we proceed further for the next item. Please complete all the practice part carefully. Hope you received the mail, everyone. Please check it. Refresh your inbox. I'll wait.
Yes, I received it.
Yes, received it, sir.
Fine, dear. Yep.
Didn't receive. Oh, yes, received it.
I received
Fine.
it, sir.
Fine.
Yes, I got it.
Perfect. Please complete all the practice. Let's get ready for tomorrow's class. See you tomorrow. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day, sir.
Nice time ahead. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Any more questions? I'll stay back for some time. Just in case any questions, I'll stay back for some time. Suresh Babu, I could see your email, Suresh. Give me some time, okay? I'll reply to your email anyway. Give me some time, please. Suresh Babu, I'll do. Suresh Babu,
Sure, Sai.
fine. Dear.
Sure, Sai. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.